I am Dr. Yajuvendra Gadal. Today we are making a video in order to demonstrate the precautions that we are taking in order to keep all our patients safe. I hope all of you are taking adequate precautions to keep yourself as well as your family members safe at home as well. Come follow me. So basically when the patient comes into the clinic, our clinic is on the 3rd floor. So we screen the patients here at on the ground floor before entering the building, as well as when the patient reaches the clinic on the 3rd floor as well. So come with me. As and when you come to the entrance of the building, we have a staff member present here who will screen you for fever with an infrared thermometer. Only if the patients who do not have fever are allowed to proceed into the building currently. The patients as well as the accompanying relatives are asked to sterilize sanitize their hands with the use of the sanitizer which is present at the entrance of the building. We are taking patients strictly on by appointments, and we do not allow more than 2 patients with their relatives in the waiting area at any given time. These are our, this is the gym area or the rehab space that we have, and all the patients who come for rehab are screened like I showed you before, and even after that they are asked to take a shower and change before doing their rehab, and even after the workout they are allowed to take a shower and change before going home. The area where the patient was in contact with the chair, namely the chair, table as well as the bed where the patient was examined, are sanitized after each and every patient leaves. So you had a short tour of what basically we do for safety of our patients, but to add to it, we make sure that our staff as well as myself are screened before they enter the premises of the clinic. The safety of all our patients is our prime concern. It is a difficult time for everybody currently, and I'm sure that whenever you step out there is a fear that that you might catch the infection. I think the key is to make sure that we are following the authorities, instructions by the authorities, and maintaining simple basic hygiene by keeping your hands away from your face, making sure that you are wearing a mask when you are in a public place, making sure that you are not touching your face with your hands, and maintaining social distance. Okay, all of this will help in prevention of the infection. Having said that, I think everyone wants to now gradually resume their day-to-day activities as much as we can. And in case you have any problems really as far as orthopedics or sports medicine is concerned, make sure that you go to a place which is safe and take all the adequate precautions, because even reaching the clinic or reaching the hospital you can get an infection. So follow all the guidelines properly. In case you are not able to come to the clinic, we are also available online on Practo. Also, please follow us on our social media accounts for more information on sports medicine as well as COVID and how to prevent it.